Here, let me solve the seventh part of question 4 of exercise 5.1 of chapter 5. This question asks us to check whether this given sequence of numbers is an AP or not. If this is an AP, then we have to find out the common difference and we have to write three more terms if it is an AP. So let us check how to solve this question. First, we have to check whether this is an AP or not. So we shall subtract first term from the second one, and the second term is minus 4, so we shall subtract 0 from it to get minus 4. Now we shall subtract second term from the third, and the third term is minus 8, and we shall subtract second term which is minus 4, so we get minus 8 plus 4, and which is also equals to minus 4. So now we shall subtract third term from the fourth term, and fourth term is minus 12, so we shall subtract minus 8 from here. This is also equals to minus 4. So we observe that the common difference, you can say the difference is same between two consecutive terms, therefore this is an AP. Therefore the common difference D is equals to minus 4. Now we have to find out next three terms, and next three terms are as follows. So we have to find out fifth term, and fifth term is equals to A plus 4D, and A is, what is A? A is 0. So this is equals to 0 minus 16, and that is equals to minus 16. And same as we have to find out the sixth term, which is equals to A plus 5D, and 0 plus 5 into minus 4, 0 minus 20, and the seventh term will be A plus 60. This is 0 plus 6 into minus 4, and that is 0 minus 24 equals to minus 20. So our new AP is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12, minus 16, minus 20, minus 24. Therefore these are the next three terms of the AP. Thank you.